Today I'm making mini brownies with the cream cheese frosting. First I'm going to make the brownies. I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix into my bowl. Next I'm just following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a greased mini muffin pan. I'm going to scoop the brownie batter into the muffin pan and then bake this at 350 for 15 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make the cream cheese frosting, so in my bowl I'm going to add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add another cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Next, I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Now that the brownies are out of the oven, I'm going to use the back of a teaspoon to make a little well in each brownie. Next, I have the cooled brownies on a plate and I'm going to pipe some cream cheese frosting on each brownie. Lastly, I'm going to add some sprinkles on each brownie. Here's an up-close look of the mini brownies with the cream cheese frosting.